नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका मेरा वीडियो में स्वागत है। मैं जूली हूँ
और मेरी बुलबुल का नाम जूली है।
वो अर्जुन है। अर्जुन का नाम अर्जुन है।
अर्जुन का नाम बाबू का नाम अर्जुन है और जूली का नाम बुलबुल है।
So today he is Babua
And you are Bulbul. We are officially Babu and Bulbul. I accept it. I think that I cannot do anything about this name anymore.
By the way, I'm wearing a sari today. And can you tell me how long was it ago when I was wearing last time a sari? It's like too long. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a sari, it's not just for home, it's actually for the reel. We recorded just like a cute Instagram reel, or let's say like a cute short video where Arjun is like, you know, creating me.
Creating me. I was telling how Julie is, like, you know, what is her personality, how patient she is. And she is having, like, you know, you can see in the reel how much patience she has, how much creative she is, what are her punctuality level and everything. You have to see that reel. And it's honest opinion by me. Yeah. She was lying to me like, oh, can you put more water? And I was like, no. I will just give the honest opinion of me.
You really should watch it, it's really cute. And Arjun is wearing his beautiful kurta, matching to my sari.
It's not matching at all. Your sari is gold and I'm yellow.
That's not true. This is green and this is green.
It's not
green.
My God.
What do you guys say? This is green and this is green.
But it's not matching. Matching. Where do you see it's matching?
I don't know. Matching. Actually, I haven't had a blouse to that sari, so I'm just wearing my European German dress, a black dress as a blouse. But actually, it does not look bad, no?
By the way, guys, like today is really sunny and nice and beautiful and both beautiful. Actually, I'm saying that because, you know, since last 2 days it was raining every day, and there was no sun, so अच्छा लगता है थोड़ा वो थोड़ी वो ना sun की वो धूप की छाया पड़ती है, तो धूप की छाया में क्या बोल रहा हूँ पता नहीं मेरे को। धूप is shining. Actually, it's nice, right? Yeah, it's like nice and, like, you know, beautiful weather.
Actually, we can go out.
Like what?
Actually, we can go out.
Oh, where?
I don't know.
It's 4 o'clock.
We can do something nice. We have that badminton thing.
Oh yeah. You wanna play the badminton? Let's play the badminton. There will be a challenge, right? You against me. Let's see who is gonna win, huh? Are you a good badminton player?
I am. I think so. मुझे लगता है.
Okay. देखते हैं. चलो देखते हैं.
Okay, I have changed my outfit. And we're gonna go down now. Nichewala, there is like a clubhouse here in our community, and there we can play badminton, or like, you know, it's like a big sport room, I would say. So yeah, we're gonna go there now, and then we are playing badminton. I think last time when I played badminton I was like 10 years old. So Arjun is perfectly prepared with the badminton bag and the normal bag.
You will lose today.
No, you're gonna lose.
Really?
Yeah.
We'll see. It's a celebration of my win. Yeah, it's a celebration for me.
So we are on the way now, and it's not far, like, you know, it's just like a cat jump. So, but anyway, we hope that there will be a slot, because since it's like just recently open, like everyone wants to go there and play, right? I think we are not the only people. So let's see. Only time will tell. You know what they say, you never really care. Okay, dostos, so this is the room we were talking about. It's like a big, you know, sport room, and you can do any kind of sport, like, I don't know, tennis, badminton, jumping, dancing, running, whatever you want to. So, and thanks God we are, like, you know, it's like not full of people, so we have our space to play. Arjun was asking the kids if we can play together, so now we're gonna play with the kids. And then all the kids were coming and joining, and now we have like a big game going on. And actually we lost, can you imagine? Like we lost against the kids. Actually guys, Arjun is so cute and caring, like I never believed. He's so cute and so good with kids, like you know, that shows that once we have kids that, you know, he will be a good father. And I don't know, that makes me so happy. I'm really happy watching them, like just, you know, playing, doing their thing. It's so cute. And in case if you're asking now, no, we are not planning for kids right now. No worries, like that has some time, like maybe 1 year, maybe 2 years, maybe 3 years, depends. But for now, there are higher priorities. Like first we want to settle our life, everything needs to be ready and perfect for a little bacha.
So I'm done playing, I've won all the game for your informations. And now it's time for Julie. Look at her, alone there in her sports clothes.
Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. I be thinking that I'm famous. I remember when I prayed for this. No sleep, cause I'm anxious. All this shit for entertainment. Crazy thinking that it's day one. All this business for the taking. Yeah, hold it down for the nameless. Yeah, oh yeah.
Okay, so अभी मुझे सिर्फ यहाँ है क्योंकि मैं एक supporter है अर्जुन के लिए. So we are just walking outside, like you know, there's that sport room, and here is like a little building of our building, like you know, like a little thingy. ये वाला हमारा apartment है. छोटा है. So we have done a lot of sport today.
It was really, I enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I did.
Can you tell them who won the game?
I don't know, we haven't took the count, but I have to say that Arjun is really good.
Really big fan, big fan.
Huh?
Thank you.
Thank you. What did they say?
Big fan.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. She didn't hear it, but if you are watching the vlog,
I just heard and I didn't understand. I'm so sorry. Thank you. आप मुझे याद है? मुझे याद किया?
मैंने यहाँ पर
Stones?
इसके साथ आपने एक दिन वीडियो बनाई थी ना, वीडियो इसके साथ.
हाँ. आप लोग क्या कर रही हो?
हम खाना बना रहे हैं.
खाना बना
है? ये stones के साथ?
स्टोन्स को घींच कर ही तो आग जलेगी, फिर तो बना पाएंगे.
हाँ.
आदिवासी के जैसे बनाते हैं.
शाबाश.
शाबाश.
ऐसे घींचते हैं, पहले ऐसे घींचते हैं.
अच्छा.
ऐसे.
अरे ऐसे थोड़ी चलती है फायर.
तो कैसे?
ये तो गीला वो है पत्थर आपका. सूखा पत्थर ऐसे करने से जलती है.
मारा क्या?
हाँ.
इसमें तो मिट्टी पहले से ही है.
हाँ.
मेरे वाले में नहीं है, देखो खुद.
हाँ. जल के
नहीं.
अभी हम भी किया हमारा दोस्त युवराज
से मिले. अभी हम हमारे दोस्त युवराज से मिले.
हाँ. मैंने बोला था. ओके दोस्तों, अभी हम बैक हमारा गाँव में, और we really had fun. Like it was a really great experience.
By the way, guys, one really important thing we want to talk to you about, and that is about our Amazon wish list. And like you know, in last 4 weeks we noticed one thing, that a lot of stuff were purchased by you guys, and like you know, there were, some of them were delivered and some of them were not.
Yeah. So we expected they maybe got lost or something on the way, and so since we are not having any notification like who ordered it and how we can reach this person, like there's no contact option, we just want to say, like, in case if you have ordered anything, then please check if it got delivered or not. So because you know, it would be sad if it never
you can check, like, is it on the way, or is it like saying is it delivered, or is it like, you know, failed to deliver, or you can contact us in the email or in the Instagram, like, you know.
Yes, you can send us a message anytime.
So we'll reply you and we'll see, like, you know, it's a bad thing if you, like, you know, you guys are helping us so much, and like you guys are helping us to build our home, so and you are sending us the gifts, and like, you know, it's lost in the way.
Yeah, and they are not reaching it. And we also feel bad because you guys maybe feel bad. You think we got that gift and we are not using it, we are not showing it in the video and nothing. So we think, you know, before you think it's rude, so better we say something, and you have the option to contact us, so we can maybe, you know, find a solution. So But anyway, we are super grateful for you helping us to buy our home. Like
there were a lot of gifts from you guys and a lot of love from you. Like, you know, it was so nice. It feels so good to have a community like that.
It's like we are all a big family.
Yes, a family of 140k people.
So Arjun is right now downstairs buying some groceries in the shop, and meanwhile I'm gonna take over this whole mess here, since I'm not sick anymore and I'm, you know, energetic. I can clean, I can do anything. It was just like in the last couple of days I've been sick. Like I broke my feet, like a little bone in my feet, and it's still blue. I don't know if you can see, but yeah. And then I had some side effects from the vaccine, and you know, I mean, if you have followed our vlogs, you know how much things were happening recently. So that's why Arjun was basically taking over everything, and I'm so grateful for that. But I don't want you guys to think that he's doing all the work and I'm doing nothing. Like if you are following our vlogs frequently, then you know that we actually share our work. Like there's no housewife or husband, like house husband. This is like just, we share it, we have it equal. Actually, we don't like this thinking of having a housewife or having a house husband, so we just share, and that's how we do it. And yeah, you know what I mean. So sorry if we have given you any wrong impression, but yeah. Abhi mujhe clean kare ho,
Funhouse active, king of the palace, rubber like Malcolm, balled up fist in the air to the fast lit, yeah. Hands up in the air that they gun me down. I keep it on it, they crunching the numbers, I'm getting out. Young nigga got a fetish for success. If I ain't next, and I just leave impression. Next to rain on the window pane, puffy plain Jane. Let them second guess me, wanna cop the Porsche with the porcelain skin. Grip the wheels, let the horses just why they trash, another chore on my list. Out of this orbit, I saw with the pen. I'm eating good, Miss Caloric as shit. I sipped the potion and poured it in. I on the tide when she poured it. Opportunity, knock at the door, then I grin. They rush for the doors, then they open like bliss.
Okay, दोस्तों, क्लिनिक हो गया है और अभी मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है. As I said, we are sharing, you know, like the work at home. Arjun is gonna cook.
Yeah, and I like to cook, that's the point. It's not about sharing. I like to cook, you should clean, because when you cook, there's a lot of things to clean.
Let's say he's a better cook than I am.
And she's a better cleaner than I am.
And also the most important point is I love Indian food and I'm not able to cook it by myself. And Arjun's food is so good, like even better than every restaurant food, like Indian food I had. It's like crazy. Sometimes we order food and I'm telling him like, you know what, honestly, I like your food more.
Because
and then he's always so small, like you're small.
Smiling.
Smiling.
But I cook it with love.
Yeah.